In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open and navigate WhatsApp settings on Windows the fast way. First, make sure you have WhatsApp open, either WhatsApp Web in your browser or the WhatsApp Desktop app. If you're using the browser version, open your preferred browser and go to the official WhatsApp web page. If you're using the Desktop app, launch it from your Start menu or taskbar. Make sure you're signed in and can see your chats. If you aren't signed in yet, the app or website will guide you with on-screen prompts to link your phone. Just follow those so your chats load properly. Once WhatsApp is open and active on your screen, here's the quick shortcut you'll use on Windows. Hold the Alt key and press S. That's Alt plus S. It helps to click inside the WhatsApp window first, so the shortcut applies to WhatsApp and not another app. If nothing seems to happen, check that the WhatsApp window is in focus and your cursor isn't in the browser's address bar. That shortcut opens the Settings panel. This is your control center for personalizing your experience and managing your security. Let's walk through what you'll find there so you know exactly what to adjust. In Account Settings, you can update essentials like your profile photo, display name, and about information. Think of this as your public-facing card. It's what your contacts see, so keep it accurate and recognizable. Under Privacy, you control who can see things like your last seen and online status, profile photo, and about info. You can also manage read receipts. Turning read receipts off means you won't send or receive the blue check marks in one-on-one chats, which can be useful if you want more discretion. Just remember that it works both ways. Notifications let you customize how you're alerted about new messages. You can tweak sounds, desktop alerts, and message previews. If group chats get noisy, this is the perfect place to reduce interruptions while still staying informed. Chat settings focus on appearance and behavior. This is where you'll choose your theme, adjust how chats look, and tailor small details that make long conversations easier on your eyes. A comfortable setup keeps you focused and reduces fatigue during busy days. Finally, Connected Devices shows every computer currently linked to your WhatsApp. Review this list from time to time. If you see a device you don't recognize or no longer use, log it out with a click to keep your account secure. That's it. Open WhatsApp, press Alt plus S, and you're in settings. Fast, simple, and ready to fine-tune your experience.